I'm often asked what type of building contract we use. At Mass Constructions, we use a fixed price building contract. This is a far better way to go than using other building contracts out there. It locks in the particulars of your project, but does offer you the flexibility to add additional items if you so desire. This way, you know what your build investment is before you start. Now, the way a building contract is paid is we start with a 5% deposit for a contract over $20,000. There will then be a number of progressive payments throughout the build, which cover various stages depending on what type of build it is, which then determines what amounts are allocated to each stage. For example, in most cases, there will be a frame stage. This is when the structural components of the build are completed, such as the timber frame and steelwork being the most common. The more progressive payments there are in a contract, the less risk on your part, ensuring you have a smooth construction of your home. For more information, visit our website at massconstructions.com.au.